people think about gaming phones, the usual image that comes to mind is extreme hardware, over-the-top cooling systems, massive batteries, and a body that's thicker and heavier than a regular smartphone. Sure, performance is pushed to the limit, but using a phone like that every day can start to feel tiring. The Red Magic 11 Air is clearly trying to flip that idea on its head. As Red Magic's first new release of 2026, it manages to squeeze physical shoulder triggers, an active cooling fan, and a huge 7,000 mAh battery into a body that's just 7.85 millimeters thick and weighs only 207 grams. That raises an interesting question. Can a gaming phone this slim and light still deliver the performance gamers expect? Today, let's get some hands-on time with it and find out. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. In terms of design, most of you probably already have a good idea of what it looks like thanks to earlier leaks. This generation continues with the holographic transparent back, showing off the internal fan and RGB lighting, but the overall styling is much more controlled. The design draws inspiration from racetracks and record players, with cleaner lines and fewer aggressive shapes. There are no sharp edges or dramatic protrusions here, just a more refined and minimal look. Even if you're not into gaming at all, it doesn't feel out of place in your hand. It's the kind of phone that makes people think, that looks really cool and futuristic, rather than screaming gaming phone at first glance. Because it's part of the Air series, comfort and handling are clearly a priority with the Red Magic 11 Air. At only 7.85 millimeters thick, it's actually slimmer than many mainstream flagship phones, and the 207-gram weight removes that familiar heaviness associated with gaming devices. The metal frame paired with a glass back gives it a solid premium feel without making it feel dense or bulky. To further improve how it feels in hand, the edges of the glass are carefully curved, blending smoothly into the metal frame. The camera bump is also kept nicely under control, and even a slim case is enough to level it out. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, your fingers don't get caught on the camera module. The lighter, slimmer body also makes it far more convenient for everyday use, sliding into a pocket easily without that brick-like feeling. Red Magic's dedication to a true full-screen experience continues on the 11 Air. There's no punch hole or notch at all, and the bezels have been narrowed down to just 1.25 millimeters. With a screen-to-body ratio of 95.1%, it genuinely feels like you're holding nothing but display when you first turn it on, which really pulls you into whatever you're watching or playing. The phone uses a 6.85-inch flat OLED panel with a custom Q-type reflective material from BOE. Resolution comes in at 1216 by 2688, paired with a smooth 44 Hz refresh rate. Peak brightness hits 1800 nits, so colors look lively and the picture stays clear even in brighter conditions, making it excellent for both gaming and video content. Eye comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The display uses a 2592 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming combined with DC dimming, supports SGSD low blue light standards, and carries National AMOLED eye protection certification. All of this helps reduce eye fatigue during long gaming sessions or extended binge watching. On the touch side, the screen supports a global 960 Hz touch sampling rate and a synchronous 2000 Hz sampling rate, which translates to extremely responsive controls with almost no noticeable delay. Red Magic also includes a wide range of touch customization options in the system, letting you fine-tune sensitivity, response speed, and stability. You can even expand the edge dead zones to avoid accidental touches during intense gameplay. On the metal frame, you'll find two physical left and right shoulder buttons with a 520 Hz sampling rate. While these aren't mechanical buttons, they use vibration feedback to simulate a clear click, and they work surprisingly well. In games that demand more complex inputs, these triggers let you perform advanced actions without lifting your fingers off the screen, which can be a real advantage in competitive situations. Of course, performance is the heart of any gaming phone. So the big question remains, can a device that focuses so heavily on being thin and light still deliver serious power? The Red Magic 11 Air is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with LPDDR5X Ultra memory and UFS 4.1 storage. In Antutu testing, it achieved an impressive score of 3.38 million. On Geekbench 6, it scored 3107 in single-core performance and 1026 in multi-core tests, showing that despite its slim profile, this phone doesn't hold back when it comes to raw performance. Right. All of this clearly shows just how strong the performance really is. In real-world gaming tests, Genshin Impact was pushed to the highest graphics settings, running at a rendering resolution of 1920 by 869, and it held a steady 61 FPS the entire time. Even when looking at the 1% low data, the frame rate still stayed at an impressive 58.9. The performance graph was almost perfectly flat, with barely any noticeable frame drops. Power consumption during this test was 4.35 watts, and the hottest area near the camera peaked at 43 degrees Celsius, while most of the phone stayed under 37.5 degrees. Moving on to Zone 0, again at maximum settings, the rendering resolution reached 1961 by 8842. On the Light and Shadow Plaza map, the game once again stayed locked at 61 FPS, with the 1% low coming in at 57 FPS, which is still very stable. Power usage increased slightly to 4.92 watts, and the highest temperature recorded was 46.7 degrees Celsius. Honkai Impact 3rd is an even tougher test. With graphics maxed out, the rendering resolution climbed to 2160 by 977. For a phone powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite and measuring under 8mm thick, this is a serious stress test. Even so, the Red Magic 11 Air managed an average frame rate of 60.9 with a 1% low of 52.8. The trade-off here was higher power consumption at 8.25 watts and a peak body temperature of 51.5 degrees Celsius. That said, heat control across the rest of the device was handled well, with most areas staying around 41.5 degrees. This strong thermal performance comes from the built-in active cooling fan combined with a thicker VC vapor chamber. Despite its compact size, the Wind 4.0 fan spins at up to 24,000 RPM, rapidly pulling heat away from the internal components. The ultra-thick ice-sealed VC uses Red Magic's exclusive double-sided raised structure, further improving heat dissipation. Compared to other phones using the same chipset, the Red Magic 11 Air clearly stands out, delivering higher and more stable performance without noticeable frequency throttling during gameplay. Battery life and charging are another area where the Red Magic 11 Air really shines. With its massive 7,000 mAh battery, it can easily deliver over 10 hours of screen-on time during everyday use, like watching short videos or chatting on WeChat. Even for heavy gaming sessions, it can run Genshin Impact continuously for around 4 hours. So even while pushing high performance, battery endurance remains excellent. In charging tests, the 120-watt fast charging took about 60 minutes to go from 0 to full, while hitting 80% in just 30 minutes. After that point, the phone switches to slower trickle charging to better protect battery health. It also supports bypass charging, which sends power directly to the motherboard during gaming instead of through the battery. This helps reduce heat buildup while charging and extends battery lifespan, making it especially useful for long gaming sessions. When it comes to cameras, the Red Magic 11 Air is practical rather than flashy. It includes a 16 megapixel under-display front camera and a dual rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The main camera supports optical image stabilization, producing accurate colors and clear details in good lighting. While it can't compete with dedicated camera-focused flagships, it's more than capable for everyday needs like scanning QR codes or capturing daily moments. Additional features round out the experience nicely. Dual speakers with DTS:X Ultra certification deliver better sound quality than you might expect, creating an immersive stereo effect when gaming or watching videos. The X-axis linear motor provides smooth, comfortable vibration feedback during typing and gameplay. Useful extras like NFC and an infrared remote are also included, making it easy to handle public transport payments or control home appliances like air conditioners. What stands out the most about the Red Magic 11 Air is how well it balances two normally conflicting goals. It keeps the power, cooling, and control advantages of a true gaming phone while getting rid of the bulky and heavy feel that usually comes with that category. With a thickness of just 7.85 millimeters and a weight of only 207 grams, it fits seamlessly into everyday life. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, active cooling system, and physical shoulder buttons easily satisfy hardcore gaming needs, while the 7,000 mAh battery ensures long endurance and stable performance. If you're someone who wants serious gaming performance without giving up a slim and lightweight design, the Red Magic 11 Air is absolutely worth waiting for. I'll see you in the next video.